everybody. Karla Williams is the executive chef of Hilton Head Health, and today she is here to make us a fabulous seafood Reuben with citrus green beans. What?
Oh, that sounds so
Seafood
good.
Reuben. It looks so good, too.
Tell me started.
So you help thousands of people get fit and learn to eat healthy at Hilton Head Health Resort. That is not easy to say, Hilton Head Health Resort. Were you always interested in nutrition?
Actually, I was an athlete growing up, and so I learned early on that my nutrition played a huge role in my athletic performance.
Wow, you're not kidding.
Wow, you ain't playing. Look at there.
So I did a lot of experimenting in the kitchen, and that's when I really got interested in food, watching cooking shows, lots of cookbooks, and just lots of good and bad mistakes in that kitchen.
That's true. You learn so much from your own experiences,
Absolutely,
don't we?
yeah.
So I love a Reuben. I mean, it's hard not to love a good, delicious Reuben, but they are so loaded with calories and really heavy. Today, you have changed that up for us, and you're making it with whitefish.
Yeah, today we're going to use mahi-mahi. Any white flaky fish will do. Halibut, swordfish would be amazing. So let's go ahead and put it in the pan.
Okay.
So we have a
I'm gonna
little
put it
bit
in my
of
mouth. Actually.
right? Give it a go.
Yeah.
I have a little bit of olive oil in the pan, a little pinch of salt and pepper on the fish, and we're just going to go ahead and pop it in there for about 3 minutes per side. And you're going to know it's ready because it's going to pull itself off of the grill.
So don't mess with it.
Don't
That's
mess with
one
it.
of the biggest problems that people have in the kitchen. They always want to try to pull the meat off before it releases.
Exactly. I have a little cheesy saying, have no fear, let it sear.
I love that.
A good trick, right?
How did you even
Mark would like that.
Yeah.
It's just cheesy enough that Mark's got to be
I'm just saying, I like things cheesy.
You need a
How
t-shirt.
did you even come up with the idea to use fish in a Reuben?
So I wanted to lighten it up a little bit.
I mean, I would have thought turkey. I would have never thought fish. You know,
Right.
it's so unique.
Well, in South Carolina, at Hilton Head Health, we love our seafood. And it's just a nice, fun twist on a classic.
Okay, so you're also the twist on it. You're not using sauerkraut like we would usually put on a Reuben, but you're using coleslaw.
Correct. So at Hilton Head Health, I'm always about putting more vegetables on our guest plate. So the coleslaw is just a great substitution, added nutrition, and then we're going to make our own dressing. So
Okay.
at Hilton Head Health, we make our own dressing. It's made of mayonnaise, there's a little bit of vinegar in there, Dijon mustard, some seasoning, and keeps it nice and simple.
Oh, that's okay. That's beautiful. You know, I've been to Hilton Head many times. I love Hilton Head, by the way. Hello, Georgia. What I will say is I am mortified of the crocodiles that happen to roam the streets. This is not a joke. Are there still crocodiles that roam the streets freely? They have signs that say crocodile crossing. I promise you, this is not a joke.
It's true. I mean, but it's worth going and visiting
Just to
and
see
seeing
it.
it, right?
Just don't get too close. I was riding a bike. I was like, oh my gosh, there's a crocodile. There's a crocodile. Keep riding.
Yeah, what do you do when you see a crocodile?
The crocodiles in Hilton Head are like the pigeons in New York City. They like cozy up to you. It's very strange.
It's true. It's true. I mean, they don't come knocking on your door. You have to go find them. But it's very cool to see them in person, right?
So cool.
From a distance, it's cool.
Right.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
exactly.
from a distance, I mean to the door. They're that close. That's pretty kooky. Okay, so then we toast our bread.
Yeah, we toast our bread. I have rye bread here. You can use a whole wheat bun or whole wheat bread, but the rye bread will give it that classic Reuben flavor.
All right, so then here's our fish.
Yes.
That we have seared.
Yum. Check
Never
that
fear,
out.
let it sear on both sides.
So then we have a Thousand Island dressing here. We make it in-house at Hilton Head Health, but at home, sometimes we don't have time for that, right? So a yogurt-based dressing would be a really great substitute if you need to just purchase that.
Interesting. How
That's
would
what
you
we
make
use.
Use
Yeah,
yogurt?
I do the yogurt. I tried it with the kids because they love sauces. You know, the kids like, ugh. So the yogurt base.
Yeah, still full of flavor. It's a really great sub. In this one, we have, again, reduced fat mayonnaise, some tomato paste, a little bit of skim milk, and pickle.
Oh,
Believe it or
okay.
not, right?
Nice.
So then we're going to go ahead and place our fish.
Debbie, I want to apologize that you're having to wait.
I
'Cause
know.
This is really
Oh,
good.
good.
It's really good.
We'll
And
get it on there for
So-
you.
Is there anything you should specifically ask for if you buy mahi-mahi? Like,
Yeah, so just purchasing seafood in general, a great idea, a good way to go about it is go for a wild catch. You're just going to find a better quality that way. And it's going to be more full in flavor. So even if it's frozen,
Yeah, so I say frozen's okay.
yeah, frozen is okay. But just try to opt for wild.
So
and you'll
wild
get
as opposed to
higher
farmed.
nutrition. Yeah.
And why do they call it mahi-mahi and not just mahi?
You know, it's just fancier.
It's just fancier.
Twice
I
as
heard you
fancy.
first.
Right. It's so nice they named it twice.
Right.
There you
exactly.
go.
It's so nice.
All right, so we put the coleslaw on top, a little bit of Swiss cheese, because hello cheese.
We've gotten rid of the pastrami. The
Right.
cheese is fine.
It's a good
Right.
meat in the middle. And then we're going to go ahead and pop that on there. We will put it in the oven at 425 for about 2 to 3 minutes.
Drum roll. And is that to cook the fish anymore or just to, oh.
So pretty.
And so that's just to melt the cheese.
Got it.
Yep.
All right, let's
Wonderful.
get in here. This looks amazing.
Now, before you get into that, Debbie, okay, you can start. But I have a question. I know you know how much we love animals here, right? You have a couple.
Yes.
Rescues?
Rescues.
2 rescues.
Yes.
Tell us. Do tell. Larissa,
Oh my gosh, can you
this
tell
is
it?
for you, Larissa.
Kitty. We have Lucy and Goose. Lucy's my yellow lab mix, and Goose is a hound mix. And Goose is 1, Lucy's 4. Oh my goodness, I just adore them. They're the
Did they
best.
scare off the crocodiles?
Mm.
I bet they
Yep.
do.
That's the whole reason why I got them.
That's to protect you from wild crocodiles. By the way, these green beans are
Oh
something
my
else.
goodness,
Yeah.
aren't they fun? They're citrus green beans. We just blanch the green beans for a hot second, put them in cold water, and then we toss them in a citrus vinaigrette. It's made of lemon juice, lime juice, some zest, Dijon mustard, white balsamic, and a great alternative to French fries, right?